Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to make fried idli. We are going to use yesterday's leftovers. Basically, this is a very easy recipe. You can make it within 5 to 6 minutes whenever you are hungry or you want to feed someone in a family. सबसे पहले ऑयल गरम करेंगे, उसमें राई, नीम पत्ता एंड मिर्ची डालेंगे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू टेक फ्रेश चिलीज ऑब्वियसली. वो डाल के हम लोग इसको अच्छे से टॉस इन कर लेंगे ऑयल में थोड़ा. ये जब टॉस इन हो जाए अच्छे से, वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड इन द अनियंस एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू सॉटे द अनियंस until they are quite golden brown kindish. After it's done, I'll talk to you again. As you can see, the onions are almost done, so now we are going to add tomatoes into it. We'll be sauteing the tomatoes until it loses quite a lot of water, and उसके बाद we'll be adding the spices into it. That will just be red chili powder and salt. Nothing too much, nothing complicated. Yeah, we'll add only a little bit of salt. Why? Because after this we are going to add sauces into it, and sauces already contain salt. इसलिए थोड़ा सा ही सॉल्ट डालेंगे एंड स्पाइसेस हम रेड चिली पाउडर हम लोग कम भी थोड़ा सा ही डाल रहे हैं. वाई? बिकॉज वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड ग्रीन चिली सॉस एज वेल. It will give the spice. And after adding the spices, we'll mix it up well, and then we are going to just add our sauces, which will be tomato ketchup and red chili sauce. Then we'll mix it up. Then after that, our mixture will be ready. Then we'll be adding our idlis, tossing it around for a little while, and it will be done. We'll serve it in a bowl with a little bit of coriander. It tastes really good, and it is a very easy recipe. Trust me. Try it in your home whenever you have idli. Whenever your mom made idli yesterday, or if you can buy idli from the market and try to make this. Uh, and subscribe for more such content, and please comment on whatever you want to see next. Do you have a recipe in mind? Do you want me to do some challenges, or do you want me to start a series of some sort? Let me know, and do check my shorts. Thank you for watching.